Thokozani bokhokho nomkhulu sakwasendodela lesukhokho bathini mbathu mavula kuvala emzini amadoda u-Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith, intatheli yamathongo, your ancestors journalist. Guys, we need to talk about yet another thing that is very important. Triple P. I was checking the minority of the people who are saying, Koko, I'm happy. You know, Koko, things are moving. I'm moving to the right directions. I'm happy with the progress in my life in general. And I tend to spend a lot of time when I do a consultation with such people because I have a lot to learn from them and they have a lot to learn from me. So we learn from each other, and I get into talking about my own personal experiences in life. And which is, it fascinates us, you know. You can tell we are connecting with this person. Koko, I didn't know you're also in biking. I didn't know you're also into this. I didn't know you're also into this. And then we start now to expand, knowing each other beyond now what they came here for. And most of the things that I've learned, they had Triple P in their lives, and they didn't get rich based on Muti. They are rich based on Triple P. That's why I have a number of business people that comes to me, Uguti Koko, I know what it means to be rich. I know what it means or how it feels to be wealthy. I was wealthy. You know, Koko, I drove cars that many people dream about, and they even die before driving them. We have owned properties. You know, one of the things that I like on that part of most of the people who gives those testimonies, it's married people. That part alone, it fascinates me because there is something about marriage, whether you like it or not, whether you want to accept now and everything. There is something about marriage, especially a marriage where both partners understands each other's vision. It's you know, if people who are married, they understand each other's vision, and if they don't understand each other's vision, one that do not understand will say, I do not understand your vision. Can you please try to unpack your vision so that I can follow through on something that I fully understand? It mustn't be one-sided. The other part will say, because of I'm a man, things should be done this way, and that's it. It's either this way or highway. So most of the people that I'm dealing with lately, it's people who have been disturbed on their journey of doing things the right way. What is the way, Koko, of doing things the right way? It doesn't start with Muti. It doesn't start with Muti. The biggest base, the biggest foundation you can ever have in your life is Triple P. If you have Triple P, you must know, Uguti, it's like you have a foundation, a building foundation of a triple story building house. Let's do an example with a house. Is having Triple P is like having a foundation of a triple story building, but you start by just building the ground floor only. You just start with the ground floor only. You know what is your vision. Because now people do not know and they cannot see the foundation of the house. They don't know your plans. Now we're talking about what? Secret. The power of building an empire secretly. The importance of being secretive about the empire that you want to build, because we don't get successful because of we are failures only. No, sometimes it's because we share our biggest ideas with wrong people. That's why I'm making an example, a very simple example. I know it must sound very complicated. I'm saying when you are building a house, you decide to say, you know what's your vision of the house that you want. Then you say to yourself, let me start with the correct foundation. But financially, I will start with just a ground floor. It will have a bedroom. Vele the kitchen is going to be in the ground floor. Vele dining room and the first sitting room is going to be in the ground floor. And then later, I'll just remove the roof. Then I'll go higher. Or maybe you become smart and you put what? You put a slab as your roof. And then people ask you, are you doing a double story or what? No, I'm not doing a double story. I just want a secured home. I don't want the noise of the congregated iron. I just want to be comfortable with that. You know, it's not going to be too hot in my house. That's it. That's what I'm doing. So you are telling them what is not true because you are protecting your vision. You know when utu where you are going. I hope you're still together. But today we're talking about triple P of life, which is the foundation of life. What is it that you're dreaming about? When everybody's sleeping, when you are sitting alone, when you are driving, when you are walking, what is it that you're dreaming about? Where do you see yourself? Are you a kind of a person that plan for tomorrow, not for next week, not for next year? Trips that I was doing this year, I didn't know that I'll do them, but I've planned them 5 years ago. 5 years ago. There's a plant or a herb that I always wanted in Namibia. I wanted it so bad. So bad. And I don't know whether I bought or in. I will find people to say, I know that plant. It looks like this, like this, like this. Hey, I only saw it on the internet. I've never saw it with my naked eye. But guess what? I'm going to Namibia, to that plant. I know exactly now where it is. So it's just a matter of telling a person to say, the place I'm going to, this is the name of the place, this is where I'm going to. How did I know the place? It's because I've never given up in searching to say, where can I get it? I found it. Where? On my mobile phone. On my mobile phone. So when others are watching jokes and doing whatever, I've decided to use my mobile phone as part of my research in getting this specific help. Using what? Using one of the P that I have as my foundation. So you cannot succeed and you will never succeed. And don't even think you'll succeed tomorrow if any of the letters on triple P are missing into your life. You will never. Forget it. Even if you can get the best nyanga on earth. That's why we have people who are saying, hey, I know Sbanibani. Yes, that guy is very strong. Don't tell me about Tukokubati. He knows nothing. Don't tell him about that Span. He knows nothing. I mean, I know of Sbanibani that is a bomb. That, he's very good in what. But you don't have anything in your life that shows you know such a powerful person. You don't. Yeah, Usbanibani, ever since there's this guy that I said to him, don't ever tell anyone what you are telling me. He tells me how he grew up with one of the president we had. You know, he tells me how he grew up with that president and everything, and they've met, and that president, he greeted him, he still recognized him, he greeted him, but the president was cold towards him. Chief, you grew up with him. I told him, Labab, Ngati Baba, you grew up with him. He's not your friend. That must be clear. You said it, you grew up with him, you used to go to the same school, but he was not your friend. If you were friend and true friends, you were going to maintain that relationship up to now. At least he can recognize you, and it ends there. Stop going around telling people, you were a friend with a certain president. It doesn't help you. The same as people who are saying, I know Sbanban. What have you utilized that person's services? You know him, or her, they are good and everything. Others, they will tell you, you do have the number. Are you using that number? And you have a nerve to say and speak very bad about the one that we have used, but you have never used your triple P when you were dealing with them, but now you want to blame them. A person will come, a 50-year-old will go to a healer with problems that are 50 years old. Sometimes you have problems and you were born with those problems. I need this to get into our minds. Other problems that we have, we were born with them. They have nothing to do with us. But because of whatever that happens to our parents, whether it's pure jealousy, whether our parents did something, sometimes we are being punished because of our parents. Sometimes we are being punished because of our grandparents. Yes, today I don't have a grandchild because my grandchild was killed by Usmani Bane. We will see if Usmani Bane's grandchildren will ever survive. That's a reality. That is the reality. And it's up to us. We take it or we leave it. We become honest with ourselves or we don't. Sometimes we have ancestors that they've never did good when they were still alive. There was never even one thing that they did good positively when they were still alive. But we go down on our knees and we call them ancestors, and we expect all ancestors are there and are capable to deliver the good for us. Not all ancestors have luck for us. Not all ancestors have protection against our enemies for us. We do have very, very useless ancestors. We do. Coco, what is a useless ancestor? It's the same person that has never did good in even 1% of the things. They were never been there for all their parents. They have never been there for all their grandchildren. They have never been there for all their siblings. There are people like that. There are ancestors that are bitter. You are making it in life, and their favorite grandchild is not making it. Their favorite grandchild is not doing it. I've met this this guy at the reception during the breakfast when I was in Malawi, and we had a long chat. And we were there for same thing. He came there to do the consultation with his healer. When I get into a conversation with somebody when we meet in the country, and I realize sometimes is South African, I don't ask them, tell me about your person. Is he strong? And whatever. And I was happy, I've met somebody that we share the same triple P. The same triple P, but with an F, which is F is for focus. We were both focused on what we were there for. We know why we are there. And he didn't ask me, Ugutu, whom am I going to see? I didn't ask him, who is he going to consult with? Meaning, we share triple P that has a bonus of F, which is for focus. We know we are focused. We have already told each other, Ugutu, why we are in the country. We didn't say we are there for business. We are there for help. It was just clear. It was just clear. We are there for help. But Uguti, we are happy and everything. I even said to myself, even if we can meet in front, I'll never say how, well, no. And I feel he will never say that as well. I remember one of the, I'll say the celebrity. Yeah, I regard him as a celebrity because of the great work he has done into the industry of being a celebrity. I remember when he came to visit me just for a talk, and then he met somebody that they know each other for donkey years. I liked the way they greeted each other, and it ended there. It ended there. There was no one who was surprised to see. The only thing that they were happy to see is, oh, hey, you know, how are you? No, okay, man, good. How's things? I know things are fine. No, man, as long as you good, as long as you good, sharp, 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 grand. Even the other one, he lived, hey, chief, we'll see each other. Then I asked this other one to say, do you have his numbers? He said, no, I don't see the point of having his numbers, Gog. I said, why? He said, no, we know each other and it ends there. I cannot ask for his number because of I see him here. That is a spirit. That person has a triple P plus F, which is focus. He knows why he's there. He's focused. And he's okay with why he's there. Right. Let's move, or rather go back to triple P. Triple P needs, it sits well to a person that will understand the importance of it. Again, I said, it's your foundation. It's your foundation. If you go to Carlton Center, which it has 50 floors, you will never see the foundation of Carlton Center, but you'll be amazed about this tallest building in Johannesburg. You will just be amazed with this tallest building in Johannesburg, whereby when you are at the roof of this building, you can see the entire Johannesburg. There isn't another building like a Carlton Center. So when you go down Small Street up to the Commissioner Street where the Carlton Center is, you will see the Carlton Center in a distance. And you'll see the Carlton Center nearby. But you will never see the foundation of the Carlton Center. I'm 21 years of old now, but the Carlton Center is still there. And by the way, it's my birthday on the 29th of November. Gifts are welcome. As gift, I'll be welcoming gifts from you guys. I'll really appreciate gifts from you guys. It doesn't matter what is it. I'm asking for gifts, guys. Please, if you want to show appreciation about the content that I have in social media, the only thing that you need to do, any token of appreciation on my birthday, which is on the 29th of November, I'll really appreciate it. So you'll never see the foundation. So why I'm making an example of Carlton Center, of a building that is it's very tall. It's because we're seeing successful people, but we don't know, Uguti, what did it take for them to get where they are? And we are quick to say, no. That one is an induced wealth. That one has Ama Boys. That one has Iskupu. That one has what? Why? Because you are lazy. So you think everybody is as lazy as you are. You think everybody doesn't do anything, is sitting like you are sitting, complaining like you are complaining. predicting, like we are predicting, ukuthi, how did they get wealthy? That is a problem. We don't want to get into the point in our lives whereby we say, I wonder how hard has he worked for him to achieve this. We always say, I wonder, I wonder where does he consult? If I can get where he consult, then things will be fine. Then that guy, I'll be sorted in life. Only to find out ukuthi they have never even touched muti into their lives. They don't know how muti smells. When you can get to the room and say, Unugu mutila, there's somebody that can walk into a room and never say, Unugu muti. He can feel ukuthi there's something that is smelling, but they'll say, I don't know what is it. Why? Because they don't know what is the smell of muti. You'll hear somebody, I'm not using muti, I don't use muti, but you know the smell of muti. And you even know the smell of intelis. You know what intelis now. You even categorize the smell. This one is intelis. But you are claiming not to know what is intelis. Guys, I don't know where to start with this one. But triple P starts with patience. The first P is for patience. Guys, we are where we are. We are struggling the way we are struggling because we don't have patience. Quick cash. We don't have patience. You go and fetch muti and you want that muti to work for you. Because when you don't have patience to run that business, to push those contacts, to maintain those contacts. You don't want to maintain any contacts. You have a contact today, you mess it up tomorrow. You don't have patience. I can see they don't want to give me a job. They keep on promising me work. They keep on promising that this guy, don't trust him. I don't even take his call anymore. You are lacking patience in your life. That's why you are where you are. Persistence. Persistence. Doing it all over and all over and all over again. Doing it and keep on doing. Persistence. That's the second P. We are lacking persistence into our lives. It's lacking. If you don't have a patience, if you don't have persistence into your life, forget about it. And the results of not having patience into your life and persistence into your life, it results for you not to be positive. That's a third P. It will result for you not to be positive. Gogo, why do you always be the same? Gogo, ever since I've known you, you are the same. Because I'm exercising this triple P. Patience, persistence, and staying positive. To me, those are the three things that have made me to who I am today. And I'm still growing. I still feel I'm still young, and I'll never get old to be big-headed, to think I know everything. And if I don't know anything or something, I bother myself to learn about it because I'm in that space. I should know it. I should know it. How many people are stuck in their industries? They don't do anything into use even one of the triple Ps. And the bonus, triple PF, not being focused. So if you don't have patience, you are not persistent, you will never be positive. And a person that is not positive will never be focused. Forget it. You can go all over the world. You can go to Mozambique. You can go to KwaMhlabia Lingana. You can go all over the world and looking for umuti. If you don't have these three things, you'll be given. You'll go to Mozambique or to whoever. They'll give you something. But if you are lacking these three things, forget about it. Hambi yolala, forget about it. Saluka sendoda ugogo bathini uma uvula kuvala emzini amadoda. U-Auntie Usha, you're still number one locksmith. Thokozani.